Hey guys, welcome back to Security Review. These are my handcuffs that I just recent purchased. Not actually in no club or anything. I just like being a security guard in my house and crap like that. So I got those. Got those handcuffs. Got my Smith & Wesson W100s, and then I just got my Smith & Wesson handcuff key, issued handcuff key. And so these are here. Let me get y'all sit down here. And guys, I'm in my yard, so there you go. Let's see if I can get y'all positioned here. Okay, can y'all see me? Okay. So these handcuffs, I'm not actually quite sure what these are, but my handcuff key for these came in the mail with only one handcuff key, and I don't know what that handcuff key is. So you can just use any issued handcuff key. Just pop it right into that slot. It's got the double locking thing on it, and so what you do is you have a little button on the side, and you just push it in, and keeps them locked where the prisoners cannot make them any tighter to harm themselves or anything. And it does it. And it does it for this side too. See, like I can unlock it and everything like that. And so you can and then to unlock it, you just take it and you turn it counterclockwise. To unlock it, to unlock the double locking thing system in it, and then you can turn it clockwise and it unlocks it. It's better on these because these already came with this. See if you can see that it's so you just push the key in just like I did on the other ones, and then you just stick your key in there, turn it one way, and then turn it the other way, and bam, does it just like that. And so these are cop handcuffs, heavy duty cop handcuffs, and you can get these. I got both of these pair off of eBay. One pair were like 7 something, and then these other pair were 11 something. And these come with 2 sets of keys. And this one only comes with 1 set of key. And whenever you first get them, they're gonna be double locked. And so you just do what I said, just turn it and everything for both of them. So those are my handcuffs, guys. Let me get y'all here. Alright, those are my handcuffs. And gotta get this stuff wrapped up because see, if y'all don't know, I use this stand right here. It's a pretty nice little stand. And I just stick my phone on it. It's supposed to be a camera stand, but I just use it. And so, I gotta get back inside, guys. So, that was just a cop that came by, and he didn't know what he was doing. So I guess I'll see y'all later. Security review. So talk to you later. Peace out.